3, 2, 1, action. Cut. Okay, ready? You got the giggles out? Gwenny's got the giggles. Ready?
Yes.
3, 2, 1, action.
Hello and welcome to Guinevere's Mocktails. Today we will be making the drink O2H, inspired by my mom's favorite ride, the Jungle Cruise, and the eighth wonder of the world, the backside of water. Okay, so first of all, you need your shaker. I prefer cobbler shaker. And then you fill it up with ice. 1. That should do it. So your ingredients are 2 ounces of pog, 1 ounce of pineapple juice, 1.5 ounces of ginger syrup, and hey, where's my Orgeat?
Oh, sorry. Here we go. My bad.
It's so hard to find good help these days. And 3 ounces of ginger beer. Okay, so you start with the 2 ounces of pog. You pour that in. That's pog. And then you do your 1 ounce of pineapple juice. Then and the ginger syrup is wild ginger syrup from B.G. Reynolds. Then you pour in your ginger syrup. Then you pour in your 1.5 ounce of half ounce of Orgeat. And then you pour in your 3 ounces of ginger beer. And if you're worried about the bubbles, you can just hold on to the lid very, very tightly. You shake the shaker in circle motion, because I should be worried about the bubbles. You shake the shaker in circle motion, because then it gets everything mixed up. I guess I should be worried about the bubbles. Okay, you put that to the side for a few moments. When you fill up your glass or mug, tiki glass or whatever you're using for this, with ice. That should be good. And then you pour in the drink. And then you put your straw in the drink. And there you go. That's how you make the O2H. Ooh, that's really good. Hope you enjoy your mocktail and see you next time on Guinevere's Mocktails. Bye. Slippery when wet.